So I'm going to show you how to use Statcato to show you some scatterplot and least squares regression line. So first thing you want to do is obviously open up the program Statcato. So you're going to have to hit save and click down here. And it's going to pull a screen up here. Do you want to run this application? You want to hit I accept and run. Same thing, I accept and run. So once it pulls up, you're in the program here. So first thing we want to do is get our data into the program. So let's say I'm using data. This is some data that we used previously, age and vocabulary size for children. So let's say I want to use this data. So I'm just going to take this row by row. So I'm going to copy the age. So I hit Control-C to copy it, go into Statcato, and I paste it here. So there are my ages. And then I go back and I go to vocabulary size. I hit Control-C to copy it, back into Statcato, and I paste it right alongside. So there I have my data sets. Okay. Now, to create your scatter plot and your regression line, you want to come up to Statistics, Correlation and Regression, and Linear to Variable. So for my X variable, I want the age because that is my explanatory variable. My Y variable, I want the vocabulary size because that is my response variable. So I hit Add Series. And I want to show a scatter plot for all pairs of data values. Okay, I can rename these. So I put age for the x-axis. I put vocab size for my y-axis. And I just title this. So I'm titling it age first vocab size. Let's put correlation in. Okay, I'm going to keep the show legend and show regression line there. So I hit OK. And you can see it graphs the data here. So right down here we have a 1-year-old who has a vocab size of 3. And we just go through and you can see all the data points. Here we have our equation for the line. Okay. So let's say I want to paste this graph then onto a Google Doc. I'm going to come up here to Graph. I'm going to hit Copy Graph to Clipboard, and then go to the Google Doc I want to paste in. Let's say I'm pasting it here. Okay. So I come in here and I can right-click and hit Paste, and it will tell me pardon the interruption. Okay, so it's better off just hitting Control-V to paste it, and you'll see it will load it on there for you. Okay, so there is the graph pasted and loaded on there. Okay, there is some more information on Statcato that we can use. So if you go back to the original screen here, now it gives us a bunch of data for this specific data set. A bunch of different statistics here you can look through. We have our sample size, degrees of freedom, correlations, so no linear correlation, linear correlation. Gives you some different statistics here that you can work with. Okay, if you have any questions as you're working through it, let me know.